If you've got an LS in the build and you're planning to run big boost, you probably want a new intake manifold, so check these SuperMax Plus ones out from Proflow. Those of you who have watched our Carnage YouTube show would have likely seen the purple ute we took on Drag Challenge with a twin turbo LS in it. It's a 427 cubic inch engine and it has a SuperMax Proflow manifold on it. That one is billet, which is awesome and looks great, but billet comes with a cost, which is why Proflow now offer these cast versions of that manifold. I'll give you the hot tip right now, and if you want a cheap manifold, keep watching because these ones are nearly half the price of the billet versions. No less in quality, but because of the different material, you can get yourself a really cool manifold for a good price. Just because it's made from a different material does not mean you get a cheaper design. It's basically a replica of the billet version, so you get the shorter runners for better air velocity, you get a 102mm mouth to suit either drive-by-wire or cable throttle bodies. You have ports here for nitrous if you need, more ports at the back for vacuum. It's really a very thorough design. So if you want a cool manifold on the cheap, this is the one for you. Whether you have an early Gen 3 LS1 or a later Gen 4 with the rectangle ports, Proflow will supply you with a manifold to suit. So whether you're cathedral or rectangle, it doesn't matter. You'll also notice that the manifolds are quite low. They're only 170mm. Proflow say that will fit under most VT to VF Commodore bonnets. Check your setup, but odds are you won't need a swollen bonnet to run one of these. There are two finishes to choose from. You can either have the natural one here, or you can have some stealthy black if that's your poison. So head to proflow.com.au to order yours.